Are you ready to start your journey to becoming a mortgage loan originator in Connecticut, but are feeling a bit overwhelmed? Don't worry, we're here to help you every step of the way. The first step in obtaining your license is to get an NMLS account through the nationwide mortgage licensing system and registry. Once registered, you'll get an individual NMLS ID number that will stay with you throughout your entire career. This ID is your key for your Connecticut license and any other states you may choose to license in. Next up, you'll need to complete 21 hours of NMLS-approved pre-licensing education. Now, while Connecticut is famous for its colonial history, prestigious universities, and being home to the first hamburger ever made, it also has some pretty specific education requirements. To get your MLO license, you'll need 3 hours of federal law, 3 hours of electives, 2 hours of non-traditional mortgage lending, 12 hours of electives, and 1 hour of Connecticut state-specific education. You can find the SAFE 20 and Connecticut pre-licensing education courses by heading on over to mymortgagetrainer.com. And here's some good news. If you've already completed the SAFE 20 course for another state, you will only need the 1 hour of Connecticut-specific education. Once your coursework is done, start studying for the SAFE National MLO exam. You need to pass this exam with a score of 75% or higher. The exam is 190 minutes long, costs $110, and has 120 questions. Schedule your exam through your NMLS account. If you don't pass the first time, you can retake it after a 30-day wait. However, after 3 attempts, you'll have to wait 6 months before being able to try again. You'll also need to complete an FBI criminal background check and get fingerprinted. Start this process through your NMLS portal. From there, you will authorize the background check, schedule your fingerprinting appointment, and pay the $36.25 fee. Additionally, you'll need to authorize a credit report through the NMLS. This will cost $15 and is done through your NMLS portal. After passing your exam, completing your background check, and authorizing your credit report, you're ready to apply for your Connecticut mortgage license. Go to your NMLS portal to complete the individual form MU4 and pay the required fees, which are $300 for the Connecticut licensing fee and $30 for NMLS processing. Once you find a job with a mortgage broker or lender, your employer will submit a sponsorship request. The Connecticut DOP will review and either approve or reject it. Upon sponsorship approval, congrats are in order because you are officially licensed to do business in Connecticut. My Mortgage Trainer is your trusty sidekick for all your Connecticut MLO pre-licensing education needs. We offer both the SAFE 20 course and the 1 hour Connecticut state-specific course, complete with free test prep materials. If you're dealing with test anxiety or maybe just the jitters of starting something new, you're not alone here, and we are here to help every step of the way. Are you ready to dive in yet? Click the link below for more information or call us directly at 317-566-0425 to chat with one of our awesome team members. And while you're at it, show us a little love by hitting that like button, subscribing, and dropping a comment or two. As a proud veteran-owned business, we're dedicated to serving you.